Canada. Canada is a country that spans 6 time zones and boasts a population of over 38 million people. It is known for its stunning natural beauty, including the Rocky Mountains, the Great Lakes, and the Canadian Shield. The country has a varied climate, ranging from the subarctic temperatures of the north to the mild maritime climate of the east coast. Canada's indigenous population has a rich history and culture that predates European settlement by thousands of years. Today, Indigenous peoples make up over 5% of the Canadian population, and their traditions, languages, and cultures are celebrated and preserved through a variety of initiatives. In terms of governance, Canada is a federal parliamentary democracy with a constitutional monarchy. The country is led by a Prime Minister and a Governor-General, who represents the British monarch as Canada's head of state. Canada has 2 official languages, English and French, and is known for its bilingualism and multiculturalism. Canada's economy is driven by several key sectors, including natural resources, manufacturing, and services. The country has a highly educated and skilled workforce with a strong focus on innovation and technology. Canada's financial sector is also renowned for its stability and strength, with many of the world's largest banks and financial institutions headquartered in the country. The Canadian healthcare system is publicly funded and provides universal access to medical care for all residents. This system is highly regarded around the world for its accessibility, efficiency, and quality of care. Canada also has a strong education system, with publicly funded primary, secondary, and post-secondary institutions available to all residents. Canada is a country with a vibrant cultural scene, with a thriving arts community that includes theatre, music, literature, and film. Some of Canada's most famous cultural exports include the Montreal Jazz Festival, the Toronto International Film Festival, and Cirque du Soleil. The country is also home to a variety of museums and galleries, including the Canadian Museum of History, the Art Gallery of Ontario, and the National Gallery of Canada. In terms of sports, Canada is known for its love of hockey, with the National Hockey League (NHL) being the most popular professional sports league in the country. Other popular sports in Canada include basketball, football, and baseball, with many Canadians also participating in winter sports such as skiing, snowboarding, and curling. Canada is a country that values diversity and inclusion, with a strong commitment to social justice and human rights. The country has been recognized around the world for its progressive policies on issues such as LGBTQ+ rights, gender equality, and immigration. Canada is also known for its peacekeeping efforts around the world, with Canadian troops participating in United Nations peacekeeping missions in countries such as Cyprus, Bosnia, and the Congo. In summary, Canada is a vast, diverse, and welcoming country that is known for its natural beauty, strong economy, and commitment to social justice and human rights. The country's multiculturalism, bilingualism, and focus on innovation and technology make it an attractive destination for visitors and immigrants alike, while its high-quality healthcare and education systems, thriving art scene, and love of sports make it a great place to live, work, and play. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. And be sure to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video and any ideas or requests for future content. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.